mga kagalaan. Ako si Chokoy.
Ako si Mark.
At kami ang Wandering Kusina. Tonight, andito tayo sa Global Village. Yes, and we were allowed and we were honored to be allowed to film here inside the Global Village. Kasi andito tayo para
mag-food trip.
yes, let's check out kung ano mga pagkain na pwede nilang i-offer dito sa Global Village. Now, let's go! So there will always be something very exciting to look for dito sa Global Village. Ang kanilang floating market. Meron silang durian, fresh durian po to. And then, the mango. Galing po sa itong mangga?
Ano po? Thailand po.
Thailand. Magkano po isang ganito?
20.
20?
Ang bestseller namin dito, mango sticky rice.
Mango sticky rice? Oo.
Mango sticky rice,
Okay, this one. Oo. Magkano yung isang serving na ganyan?
35.
35. Okay. Ano to? Tamarind?
Tamarindi.
Tamarind.
Maraming tamarindi.
Tamarindi? And you have your, this one seedless.
Dried mango.
At saka dried mango.
Ito spicy.
Then, meron din silang Korean.
Tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki.
Tteokbokki. Yan.
Sawado ka. Hindi lang floating market ang nandito sa Global Village, kundi pati railway market. Tara.
Hello sir, good evening. Welcome to Railway Market.
Thank you. One of the interesting finds dito sa Global Village is meron silang Fiesta Street. So, isa lang to sa maraming lugar dito sa Global Village kung saan ka makakahanap ng pagkain. So, let's go! We're going to be looking for something na pasok sa budget natin and pasok sa panlasa natin. So, tingnan natin. And of course, sa lahat ng mga drinks and food dito sa Global Village, hindi mawawala ang bubble tea. Welcome to iBubble. Hi! So I was saying, maraming pagkain dito sa Global Village. Isa lang tong strip na to and there's another one this side. Sobrang daming mga pagkain nandyan at saka para siyang street food style. And look at that crowd, it's just a lot. One of the amazing things dito sa Global Village is every year they change every pavilion's design. So this year we have Iran. Iran has one of the most beautiful designs outside. So grand, so majestic. Now let's take a look inside Iran. This is originally from Iran. White, this is white honey. Can we try white honey?
honey, very, very good. This very, very good. Special.
With shrimp. And then stir-fried holy basil leaf. This is chickens, huh?
Yes, but today we don't have this one.
You don't have the basil?
But we can make the same
Okay.
recipe, okay?
All right. Okay.
Chicken, you want spicy or not?
Medium spicy only. I will just have this green mango salad.
It's just finished.
I just finished?
Order, yes.
Okay. What about papaya?
Yeah, we do.
You have? Can I have one papaya?
Okay.
Does this have shrimp?
You
So?
want or not? You want shrimp?
With
or-
shrimp,
Oh,
yes.
okay.
Yeah.
Medium spicy?
Spicy, please. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. You accept card?
Thank you so much. I
Sure.
will serve you there.
Yeah, thank you. Is it okay if we take a video? Okay guys, sa wakas, we are now about to taste our first real meal dito sa Global Village. It's quite difficult kasi dito lang tayo sa floating market. So as you've seen earlier, we've ordered tom yum fried rice and then we also ordered papaya salad.
Papaya.
Yan. Papaya salad. Ito yung tom yum fried rice. Hindi ko abot eh. Ikaw na. And then this is the stir-fried holy basil. Yes. Yan, chicken siya. And it's with rice as well. Nakalimutan ko tanungin na may rice. May rice pa pala siya. Sa lahat ng mga vloggers na pumupunta dito sa Global Village, and if you want to have a proper content, talagang free kayo na mag-shoot kung ano mang gusto nyong i-shoot na scenes dito sa Global Village. They actually require for you to have a permit, and you can take it online. You can just choose UAE-based media, UAE-based media, nandun sa mga basta permit section nila. And just better do so kasi you will be stopped. So you need to apply it ahead of time. So, kain na tayo.
Laki na shrimp.
So we have seen how this papaya salad was made. It was actually literally made fresh in front of us kasi kahit na sa ano lang alam mo yung sa floating market, parang floating market sa Thailand. Yan yung style nila. It is a mix with lime, tapos may beans na dinikdik and with all the other herbs and spices. Spicy. So we've got our drinks as well sa floating market. If you are picky and you want to have a really sit-down dinner, hindi pwede dito yan sa area na to. But there are other restaurants. There are other restaurants dito sa Global Village where you can actually properly sit down and have a fine meal. A proper meal. Like, sit-down meal. Dito kasi sa area na to, like itong style na to, it's conceptualized as per the Thailand scene. Doon sa floating market ng Thailand. So itong tom yum rice, we tried this one. And this one is the stir-fried basil with chicken. Yeah. Ito, dito talaga yung tom yum flavor na itong rice na to. Sarap guys.
Hindi ko malasahan yung basil. Ano ba lasa ng
Walang basil. Ang nangyari dyan, nag-apologize yung nagtinda. Sabi niya na we can make the similar recipe but without the basil.
Ah, kaya pala hindi ko malasahan yung basil.
And guys, it's not so good news. We just want to inform you na dito sa Global Village, we were so proud na makita yung Philippines Pavilion. Kaso, they don't have it next year.
This year?
Yeah, they don't have it this year. I'm not so sure about last year. Philippines has to keep up. Sayang, sobrang dami pa namang Filipino and we were hoping to see what we can offer.
Ayan. Ang laki na shrimp po.
Laki ng shrimp.
Gumbo.
Masarap yung papaya salad, no? I think we'll have to do something like this, sa papaya salad.
Kala ko, sabi mo kanina ang palaya, salad. Kaya ayoko, sabi ko.
Parang papaya. One of the amazing things na na-experience namin now is buying this chai, this masala chai. Tapos masarap siya, 6 dirhams lang dito sa Global Village. And pinapawisan ako kasi mainit. Akala ko sobrang lamig ng panahon. Tapos uminom pa ako nito, kaya ako pinagpawisan. So this guy is selling the chai. It's only 6 dirhams. Yeah. Kasama na to, you can take this home with you. Andito siya sa tapat ng Morocco at saka KSA pavilion dito sa Global Village. Masarap ang masala chai. This is actually my second round. Of course, hindi kumpleto ang isang international attraction kung wala ang amusement park. So there you have it mga ka-wonders, this is our food trip dito sa Global Village.
Hindi lang food trip, yung inikot natin. So ngayon, nakikita nyo sa aming likuran.
Background.
Fireworks natin sa
Yes,
Global
ito yung
Village.
fireworks nila palagi. So, we may not have provided you or visited each and every of the pavilion, but majority of those, yun na po yun.
Okay.
So, daghang salamat mga ka-wonders. So, kami ang Wandering Kusina and this is our vlog for today. Ako si Chakoy.
Ako si Mark.
Stay cool, stay safe, and peace.